In this video, I will show you how to highlight cells greater than a number in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have students' name and the marks they obtained in various subjects in these columns. Now I want to highlight the cells containing values greater than 70 with a green color. To do that, I will use a simple formula that uses the greater than sign. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing marks. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula to check if the cell is greater than 70 or not. I will use the first cell in the range, cell C3 in the formula. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the rest of the cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to green, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the cells. I am going to choose the light green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is greater than 70. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the cells containing marks greater than 70 are now highlighted with the light green color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be automatically changed. For example, if I change any cell value to make it greater than 70, the selected format will be applied automatically. Similarly, if we make any formatted cell value less than 70, the green background will be removed like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the marked cells again. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option, select the Clear Rules menu item and then the Clear Rules from Selected Cells menu item. As you can see, the marked cells do not have any conditional formatting rule applied to them. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.